Guys, we have problems to be honest. Well, it's my beeping sound, the beeping sound. I don't know what's gonna make but is dead. So what's going on? Yeah. I'm not put it serious because it will make a beeping sound. Do not be like actual war. I don't put Russian horror series. I think this dude, he's wait for it. Okay, maybe we're on the ground. Now worse. Maybe yo, yeah. Well, I'm gonna smell it, guys. I'm gonna smell it because I'm smelling the berries. So what's going on? Okay, yes, so light.
Check it, see if the battery's on.
Shut up, Jaden. Anyways, someone's going on my baryonyx, guys. Almost made the final war. One more time. Please God, do it. Almost got it. Mattel, why? Mattel, why? But, bro, Mattel, y'all did good baryonyx, but this is the problem. Y'all made the beeping sound. Why y'all put the beeping sound? Like a bomb in there. Wait, there's not a bomb in this dude. Is it? I think not. Y'all think it's a bomb in there? No, don't do it about that crap. And come on, final war. Almost got it, but the horrible guy. But I have this baryonyx in 2018. Yeah, 2018. I got it from Walmart, and can I get another one? I'll put broken, not make sounds anymore. Right there. Heck, I don't know. Wait for it. Come on, final war. There. This does not work. Picture garbage. It's not garbage, but it's a good figure. But Mattel, why am I water wars make more worse? Wait, I heard beep sound. I'm not joking. It's make a beeping sound. Because guys, it's my beeping sound. Come on, make the beat. It's not gonna work. Guys, maybe the figure they need to fix it right now because the beeping sound needs to stop right now because I don't like it because I thought I'll put it if they test the scene for the horror scene as 11, but I tested for the horror stories, which is right there. I try to do it, but I heard a beeping sound and told my parents and told my mom and I could scare it's the bomb. It's a bomb. No, it isn't. It's a toy. Okay, I'm telling you, doing it fix it right now because what mine says. How many years there? Okay. I still owe maybe 0. Heck, I don't know. And I say next video. Bye.